Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the help documents available through the chat icon in FM Dashboard. To get started, click the chat icon. From there, enter a keyword or phrase related to the topic you need help with, then click the search icon. For example, if you search for manage rates, the system will return relevant help articles related to managing contractor rates and related topics. Once the results are displayed, you can select and expand a document to view detailed instructions. Many help documents include a step-by-step guide that walks you through the process from start to finish, making it easy to find answers and complete tasks without leaving the portal. This feature provides quick access to documentation, helping you find solutions and learn system functionality whenever you need it.